Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my channel, The Brutal. Okay, today we're going to play a second level or the further level of this Clash Royale. Okay, yeah, let's take a battle. Yeah, should I initiate or they will initiate? Okay, I unfortunately did that. Let's upgrade here. Oh my god, they killed me. Let's give a fireball there. How could they're actually getting on me? Okay, actually they are trying a striker attack. Yeah, that's good. And this is once again hitching back. Oh, come on man, kill him. One more, last more. Yes, that's good. Okay, why is taking so much time to get? That's not good. Let's introduce him the Giant. Okay, come on guys, let's do it. I think they are dragons. Okay, before they went there, they got them. Okay, let's make him to fight with him. Yeah. Oh god. Let's fight these archers. It's our time to fight them. Oh man. Let's target him. Yeah, that's too simple. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, let's start a new game. Actually, I got a technique. I will show how it is easy. Actually, it is easy to open the to kill the opponent. Yeah, I have got this loot. Okay, it's about 250 golds. Okay, how should I upgrade this? Choose for those. Okay, let's see what are the upgrades I can have. Okay, the Giant and level ups. Average, excellent cost. Okay, what should I do? Collections. Card is already in the use. Lane level. Okay, let's use him, and let's use him instead of the I got this, and let's upgrade this. Upgrade. Confirm? Yeah, confirmed. They're on the second level. Let's upgrade that too. Yes, that's confirmed. Okay, they're on the third level. I think so. No, none of them have got yet updates. No updates. Let's start a fight. Okay, guys. Battlefield is here and climb rewards. Okay, what's the reward? Choose your reward. Okay, I choosing. Speak Goblin. Okay, I think he got updated there. Okay, let's battle. Yeah, let's battle this. Okay, let's fight. Where is the Giant? Let's take a fire strike. Yeah, that's brutal. Okay, our teammate is quite stronger than him. That's nice. Let's see how they will perform now. Sorry, I used it wrong way. Okay, let's use these archers or guns. Okay. Let's introduce archers. Let's introduce the fireball. Let's see what is the impact. Okay, the impact was quite good. Okay, how can I choose the next one? Should be on my side or... Oh man, how can I tolerate him? Yeah, it's quite, our teammate is quite stronger. Our kingdom is quite stronger. In comparing to the Gant is already here. Yes, let's introduce him. And how could I introduce the... Let's take a strike. Oh shit, that's the wrong move. Let's introduce these guys. Come on guys, let's strike him. Yeah guys, come on guys, you are the only savior for now. Come on Edge. Okay, they got already down. These guys are here. Let's introduce them back. And girls are here. Yes, it's our turn. Yes, we won. Match is over. Okay guys, I won. And I have many rewards. And okay guys, let's see you in the next video. Until then, please share, like and subscribe and get excited for getting more games explored. Yeah, I will try my best in exploring these games, and I will meet you in the next one.